So hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and as you guys can see by the title, I am back today with another Goose Creek candles haul. Now, I love me some Goose Creek candles, even though this is my second time purchasing from them, but I absolutely love them. They always have a sale. Their candles smell so good, and I'm excited to show you guys the candles that I picked out. So they recently had, I believe it was a buy 3 or buy 4 and get 3 or get 4 free. I don't really remember. I think it was buy 3 and get 4 free. So I have 7 candles total. Definitely gonna try to order some more before the year is out, but I want to show you guys the candles that I picked out and purchased this go around. So if you are interested in hearing about the candles that I picked out and purchased from Goose Creek, then keep watching. So this time they sent the candles in a big old box. I'm not too sure why, but it's in a big old box. Okay, I'm finna show y'all. I'm finna try to show y'all how big the box is for these 7 candles. This big old box. So I'm in my room, so I'm gonna leave the box on my bed, and I'm just going to, you know, take the candles out of the box to show you guys. Now, this video isn't sponsored or anything. I purchased these candles with my very own money, okay? But if Goose Creek, you know, wants to reach out and work with your girl, I will be more than happy to do so. But let's go ahead and jump into these candles that I picked out. I'm gonna let you guys know how they smell and all of that stuff. All right, so real quick, I'm gonna go to the website because I want to make sure I give you guys all the details for each candle that I picked out. All right, so this is the first candle. This is Teawook Merlot. Right now it's currently sold out, so I'm glad that I got this just in time. So the scent notes is Teawook, grapes, Merlot, red berries, and snowflakes. It smells really good. I cannot wait to burn this. So the packaging is really cute. I think this is one of their holiday scents. So yeah, I'm really glad that I got it just in time. So if you're not familiar with Goose Creek candles, the ones that I've usually been buying looks like this. So it has the 3 wick inside, which I absolutely love. And this smells so good. This smells so good. I cannot wait to burn this, okay? So originally it's $25.50, very affordable. I think that's, for Goose Creek, their candles, I definitely think that these are worth $25.50. Now, like I said, right now it is sold out. Don't know when they'll restock. But yeah, can't wait to burn this one. So the next one is a snow covered apple. This is one of their holiday scents, and this one smells so good. When it comes to apple, depending on what it is, apple smells so good. Like, this smells really good. I can't wait to burn this. So the notes for this, the top notes is bright red apple, white winter snow, mid mixed fruits, gentle citrus, and the base is sugary candy. So this is perfect for, you know, the holidays, closer to Christmas time, which it is. So yeah, I'm glad I got this one. This one is not sold out. They still have it, so if you are interested in purchasing this, they do have it in stock on the website as of today, okay? And today is December 6th. I'm not too sure when you guys are gonna see this video, but yeah. So the next one that I picked out is Harmony. This is one of their aromatherapy candles. I usually use their aromatherapy candles in my bathroom. It just gives me, you know, more of that feeling. So like I said, this is Harmony. This is honey and wildflower. So the scent notes is orange blossom, lily, neroli, honey, and citrus. So I love honey, so, and I love the smell of vanilla as well. And this smells good. This smells good. I can't wait to burn this as well. I love their aromatherapy candles so far. I think this is my 3rd one. So the next one is Frosted Cranberries, which this one is currently sold out as well. The scent notes is red cranberries, snow cream, sugar, and vanilla. This one, I really want it, but I'm kind of iffy about the smell right now. Maybe after I burn it, it'll start, you know, smelling better. I mean, it's not a bad smell, but I just can't tell right now if I actually like it. It just has a distinct smell in here. I don't know exactly what it is, but it's a distinct smell in here that it's kind of just like, I've smelled it before and I don't know, I'm just not too sure if I like it 100%, but you know, we'll see once I start to burn them. All right, so the next candle is another one of their aromatherapies. This one is Balance Tranquil Rainforest. So it's gonna smell like water, leaves, and rain. Right now, I don't see it on their website, so it might be out of stock. Yeah, I don't see it anywhere on the website, and I don't remember exactly what the notes are, but like I said, water, leaves, and rain, so it's definitely going to remind you of the rainforest. This one smells good. It's a scent in here that's kind of strong, but this smells good. I can't wait to burn this in my bathroom as well. Just, you know, the whole idea of rainforest and then taking a nice hot shower or a nice bubble bath with this burning. I just know I'm gonna, you know, all the feels. Okay, so can't wait to use this. All right, so the next one is Sugar Cookie Dough. This one is also currently sold out. So far 3 of the holiday scents that I purchased are sold out. Okay, so but the notes for this one, the top note is cookie dough cake batter, mid is cookie, cream, and sugar, and base is sweet milk, vanilla bean, and sugar cane. Okay, so oh my god, this smells so good. This definitely gonna have the house smelling good. Like, people are gonna be thinking that I just baked some cookies. Okay, so I'm really excited to use this one. All right, so the last one is Champagne Bubbles. I think this is one of their holiday scents as well. I really wanted this one because I'm gonna try to order some more candles for the new year. I probably won't be able to because I might not get them in time, but I definitely want this for the new year vibes. I just feel like it's gonna give me new year vibes because it's Champagne Bubbles. So for the top notes is sugar blood orange, pink, mid is grapefruit, and base is pink lady apple, jasmine, sweet amber, white musk, and sugared wood. So this one smells so good. I definitely cannot wait. I cannot wait to burn this. So those were the 7 candles that I picked out and purchased this go around from Goose Creek. Okay, so if you haven't hopped on the Goose Creek bandwagon, you definitely should. Okay, nothing wrong with Bath and Body Works candles and all that, but Goose Creek, you cannot go wrong when they have themselves. Okay, themselves are top notch. Top notch. Okay, I hate that I miss them sometimes, but this is the second time this year because I bought the Goose Creek candles at the towards the beginning of the year. I believe I had bought those for the first time, so I'll link that video down below in the description box and in the cards as well so you guys can see that. But this is the second time that I've caught their little buy 3 get 4 free or buy 4 get 3 free. Okay, so you can never go wrong when you get some free items. Okay, free items. Now I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys how much I spent total when I purchased these. All right, so Goose Creek does do Afterpay, so if you don't want to pay for a whole bunch of candles in full, it will divide your total payment into 4 payments. So I did use that. So total what I spent plus shipping and tax was $89.28. I saved $102. So that is pretty good. Pretty good with that sale. That sale was buy 3 get 4 free. Okay, so that was good. Definitely good. So that is pretty much it for this Goose Creek candles haul. You guys let me know down below if you have ever purchased from Goose Creek candles, and if you have, let me know which candle scent you like the most and all that stuff, because like I said, they definitely, I am a repeating customer. I definitely will be getting some more candles because you can never ever have too many candles. Okay, but if you have purchased any candles from Goose Creek, even if they have a scent that they no longer have and you really liked it, let me know down below in the comments, okay? Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, and of course don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. If you guys want to see more like candle hauls, let me know down below in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up so I will know. I did order 3 more candles from another company, so I definitely will be doing a video for that as soon as I get them. I purchased them, I think, over Black Friday. So it's gonna take a while for them to get processed and all that stuff, but as soon as I get them, I definitely will introduce you guys to the brand, because it is Black owned as well, and it is ran by a Black woman at that. So I definitely will be sharing that with you guys. But anywho, if you are a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button, as well as post notification bell so you will not miss new upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in my next one.